Location is important, yes, pero hindi siya. Sinasabi nila location is everything, pero bilang architect, hindi ako agree. Kasi may mga commercial buildings na nasa prime location, pero bakante pa rin. At may mga properties na nasa secondary road, pero punong-puno ng tenants. At bakit? Location is important, yes, pero hindi siya everything. Sa commercial design, 4 ang tinitingnan ko. Una, visibility. Nakikita ba agad ang negosyo mo kahit nasa magandang location ka? Kung natatakpan ka ng ibang buildings o mahirap makita ang signage, lugi ka pa rin. Pangalawa, accessibility. Madali bang pasukin? Madaling mag-park? Madaling lumabas? Minsan, mas mahalaga ang convenient access kaysa sa mismo address. Pangatlo, functionality. Tama ba ang layout para sa target tenant mo? May tamang circulation ba ng tao at sasakyan? Efficient ba ang paggamit ng space? Pang-apat, market demand. Kahit nasa highway ka pa, kung mali ang business mix at hindi tugma sa market ng lugar, mahihirapan kang mag-connect. Kapag may client ka na nagsasabing, Arky, maganda naman ang location namin. Ang tanong ko lagi, oo, pero design ba ang property mo para kumita? Because location can attract attention. But great design keeps customers coming back, keeps tenants staying longer, and keeps your property earning for years. This is Architect Riza, and I help property owners turn their empty lots into an earning landmark.